Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope all of you are doing fine. I know you miss the school so much and you also miss the music room, right? I do too. But for the meantime, we have to stay at home. But at home, we still can study, right? And this time, we will study a song with the title, You Are My Sunshine on your ukulele. First, please tune your ukulele using your phone or your digital tuner. And after that, you are ready to go. This song only uses 3 chords, which are very basic. First is the chord that everyone knows, the C. And the second one is the F chord. And the third is the G. And back to C. Let's try. First, you have to start from C. You are my sunshine. Still in C. My only sunshine. And get ready to move to F. You make me move happy. Now we are in F already. When skies are gray. Back to C. You'll never know. Back to F. Dear, how much I love you. Please don't take. Back to C. My sunshine. It's G now. My sunshine away. So you play the G chord for a very short time before the end of the song. Let's try again. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Let's give more strumming. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. If you can do that, please add some variation to your strumming so it becomes spicier. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. That is how we play the song. It's quite easy, right? Now, please, you practice it until you can play it smoothly. Have fun and see you again next time. Bye-bye.